Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is time for an unboxing. Today is the Bath and Body Works. I had to go on and grab some stuff from their, I think it was a semi-annual sale, but oh my goodness. So I am already ready for spring. So you'll see that in the items that I got. So let's see, I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12 different items. And let's see what they are. Here's 4 of the items. I got the Waikiki Beach Coconut in the Wallflower scents. Let me see what else I got in here. I got the car air freshener. Isn't that cute? With the little, I can't even think of what the name of it is. The little succulents on there. So that means I probably have some little smelly things in here. I did also get would they be the cheapo ones? This is their standard one, but it does have night lights in it. So I do like that. I got a couple of those. That way I can have 2 on in the house. And hopefully my house smells like a Waikiki. This, it says it's the world's best 3-wick candle guaranteed. It's the first time I've ever seen that guaranteed. Does anybody know what that means? Guaranteed, because you can't open it. It's gonna be difficult. Oh, forget about it. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. What is it? Pineapple pound cake? Oh. Okay. So my Aunt Rose watches these videos, and I can tell you, Aunt Rose, that this smells just like the cake that you made for us the other day. It was an angel food pineapple cake, and it was delicious. She told me how to make it. I'll have to make it for you guys. And it tasted like a pineapple upside down cake. So, yum. I got the car freshener. Did I not pick up car scents? Apparently I didn't. I must have some already. So I also got some new hand soap. My bathroom, as you may remember, is blue and beachy, so I got those. It's the Honolulu Sun. And let's see. I just picked it up because it said it was beachy, right? So let's see. Oh yeah, it's nice. It does, yeah, I can see it. It's not the fruity type of smell. It's more of the sandy, beachy type of smell. I don't know, I must have been in the mood thinking about Hawaii from last year, because I also got the Oahu smell. And like I said, I'm ready already. It's smack dab the dead of winter, and I'm like, nope, we want to have beachy, pineapple-y, coconutty smells, sunshine smells, and beach smells. So this is a little, I don't even know what the notes are. It has aloe and vitamin E, and it is a coconut sunset. And I touch it to my nose. I did smell a little bit of the coconut. So it's not overpowering of coconut. So I grabbed that. And my last one, apparently I didn't buy the car scents, which is not like me. Usually if I buy something, I have the car scents. And now I have to remember, I do. I have car scents. Yep, I must have remembered that while I was purchasing. But the car scents I have are from Scentsy, not from Bath and Body. I wonder if they'll fit in there. So this one is also an aloe and vitamin E shower gel, and it's called Happy Vibes. So, what does that smell like? I don't know. I cannot tell. Does anybody know what the Happy Vibes smell like? It smells fun. It smells nice. I'm trying to read, but my old eyes won't let me. Citrus, crisp pear, fresh honeysuckle, sheer. I'm seriously smelling Vetmer. Or not smelling, seeing something. An orchid. A dewy orchid. It smells nice. So I'm happy with my purchases. You guys, I am doing unboxings today. I am doing all kinds of stuff today. So you will probably see the same outfit in multiple videos. If you are not yet subscribed and want to see some more of my unboxings, then make sure you click subscribe and let me know what your favorite item on here is. And now I have to smell this final one. I probably don't, but I want to. And this is the Waikiki Beach Coconut, because I think if I had to choose a favorite one, it would probably be this one. And just so you know, I'm looking across my table, and I went to Michael's this morning, so I'm going to be doing a Michael's unboxing as well. These open from the opposite side. Oh yeah, my home is going to smell like spring in the dead of winter. I love it. So I think that would probably be my favorite, because I love my house to smell nice and fresh. And oh, with that pound cake, it's gonna smell homey as well. All right, beauties, I think I've taken up enough of your time. Make sure you subscribe so you do see the upcoming hauls and then what I do with the products that I get. So give me a thumbs up if you like this. Thank you guys so much. I hope you had a great weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye.